Alright, y'all. Before we get into the unboxing, which you guys came here, I just wanted to speak on this K-Tune Race Spec Billet V2 shifter. Alright. It's a great... It's dirty. I should have cleaned it up. It's a great shifter, in my opinion. But when it comes to... Which I should have, like, you know, I was so much focused on the actual, like, the way it looks. You know what I'm saying? It just looks amazing. Everybody knows it looks amazing. So, driving it on the street is not to my liking. I got this, I probably had it for, I'll probably say almost coming up on a year now. I've been driving with it. 1 to 4 is good. I feel like trying to get to 5 to 6 is so close to 3, the 5th gear. And it's just the notchy. It's not a good notchy that I like. It's not to my liking. Along with the cables also. You know what I'm saying? This setup is really truly meant for racing, like, you know, drag strip, like, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's meant for, you know. Me knowing, you know, it's like trial and error for me. I bought double of everything for my car. Like, it's sad, but I just feel like it has certain, like, play in it. Like, you have to adjust it. I've been adjusting and messing with it, trying it out still, trying to figure out, you know, trying to get it to the best settings to my liking. And it's not to my, like, I don't even feel confident, like, getting on the car, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't feel confident in my shifts all the time. You know what I'm saying? That's how, like, you know, it's concerning me. You know what I'm saying? It's more so functionality over, you know, looks. You know what I'm saying? I can't get with it. So this product is already, I sold it. You know what I'm saying? It's already sold. Guy supposed to be picking it up Sunday, tomorrow. So I just had to get that out the way. If you want to get the, you know, the actual K-Tune, I would say get the street spec one, you know. Maybe that one be more, it's like, you know, suited for the street, and it'll feel good and smooth, and you get all your gears. But it's an experience that I really don't even, I'm not feeling it, man. So I'm just going back to that. I already got the OEM, the cables. Look at the move. OEM cables over there. So let's get in started with this video.
Love you now. Love you now.
First impressions, yo. What y'all think, man? Clean. As you can see, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but like right here, this little swivel piece, like, as you, like, I can't even do it, but I need to have it, get it hooked up. But it's like, it's gonna be a smoother transition. Like, I feel like into the gears. Purple's off a little bit on the knob, but you better get it put in now. Alright, so we got the 4 bolts in. Looking good. I'm sorry about the lighting. My car's in the garage. I got no lighting in here, but so far, bro, it looks, it looks good, bro. It really, you know, that K-Tune billet, that, you know, that polish, it hits different, but you know what I'm saying? This still is, you know what I'm saying? I haven't got the cables hooked up yet, but it still goes with my theme. As y'all know, my theme is like purple and red. I just did these. I ain't checked this out, bro. Check this video out, bro. Like, come on now. So I still gotta do the door, but the pillars are done, man. So come on, y'all. Get with the program, man. As y'all know, my belt is purple, and then when you go, to the engine bay, got more purple and red. So That's the theme of the whip. But like I said, like I was saying earlier, this is already sold. Spoke on that already, along with the cables. These are the OEM ones. I gotta put these in, but I don't have the little clips for them. You know what I'm saying, to go into the shifter bracket. So I actually only got one clip right now, and also when we go over here, hopefully it didn't hit the ground. No, it's still hanging up. Right here, I've been painting this bracket. This is the OEM stock bracket. Oh shoot, my bad. Zoom that out. That's the OEM stock bracket, and probably do 1 or 2 more coats on it. It's been drying for a while now, so just doing a makeshift, but that's how far we got with today's work on the car. Yeah, if y'all don't know, like, the car is pretty much down for right now. As y'all see, it was Craftwork supercharged. The bracket is still down there. You can't see it, but in the cooler and all that. I'm just trying to start stacking up, sell some stuff, man. Offset this price, because 9 times out of 10 I better go turbo. I was thinking about messing with the Merc Racing supercharger, but I just think turbo is the way, man. So car's gonna be in here. I'm gonna be starting to like take more stuff out. I'm actually, like, as you see, I was painting the trans, the cable bracket. I'm trying to get this off. This is all rusted out, you know. Get this painted. I need to get this relocated, my fuse box, and delete my ABS to, you know, clean up some more of this wires in the engine bay. So try to have it clean as possible. Nothing too crazy, but it's a work in progress, man. Like I said, next video I will be doing another video on doing a review, giving my like first impressions driving with the car and all that. I don't know when that's going to be, because I'm still, you know, car gonna be down for a minute. So it's going, sooner or later it's going to happen. But appreciate every last one of you guys. Strive for greatness. You only got one life to live. Live it, but don't give it.